Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports report. Now, a couple of late wickets from all-rounder Kyle Mayers brought the second test between the West Indies and South Africa back into the balance at the close on day one at the Wanderers in Johannesburg, with the hosts reaching stumps at 311 for 7. The hosts were 309 for 5 before Mayers got the wickets of Wian Mulder for 12 and Simon Harmer for 1 to close the day. The Caribbean side's fight back started earlier thanks to left-arm spinner Gulakesh Moti and Jason Holder, as South Africa slipped from 248 for 2 to 311 for 7. Aidan Markram top scored with 96 and Tony De Zorzi chipped in with 85, his maiden test half century, against 3 for 75 from Moti, 2 for 24 from Mayers and a wicket each from Jason Holder and Alzari Joseph. The Windies will have white ball experience in their coaching staff, as ICC T20 World Cup winner Samuel Badree has been named as an assistant coach for the senior men's team for the upcoming 6-match white ball series against South Africa. The former leg spinner will join the squad for the 3-1 internationals and 3 T20s from March 16 to 28. Badree recently served as an assistant coach with the Dubai Capitals in the inaugural International League T20 in the UAE earlier this year. The Trinidadian is a 2-time World Cup winner with the Windies, having lifted the trophy in 2012 and 2016. His performances at the 2016 T20 World Cup in India led to him being ranked the #1 bowler in the format coming out of the tournament. The 41-year-old played 52 T20 internationals for the Windies, taking 56 wickets with best figures of 4 for 15. Head coach of the Jamaica senior men's national football team, Hamir Hulgrimson, says the players selected for the 25-man squad for the upcoming friendly versus Trinidad and Tobago were the right choices. According to Hulgrimson, the selection of Adrian Mariappa at the age of 36 and Dejon Richards at the age of 17 says he doesn't pick players by age, but who is good enough to play for the team.
We should select him. Now it's a friendly, then it's more like testing. So I take, for example, now Maps for his experience, because he's in that position that can help a lot of the players.
Hulgrimson says keeping young players in the squad is not down to him, but it's down to the players who adapt well.
Just to show that they are listening to the tactical information that we are trying to implement. Also, the mental aspect of being a professional in this environment is good. Is necessary, and then to take their chance when they get it on the pitch. But most of us will judge a player by the minute they get on the pitch. But for me, it's so much more than that.
The first match will be played at the Montego Bay Sports Complex on Saturday, and the second will be played at the National Stadium next Tuesday. 8 debutants have been named in Jamaica's 28-member team for the Curved Swimming and Open Water Championships, which will run from April 6 to 9. Kia Alert on the girls' side and Cameron Brown and Reese Hunter on the boys' side in the 11 to 12 age group, and Xavier Cameron, Rihanna Scott, Daniel Adele John Doe, Walden McIntosh and Nathan Wright in the 13 to 14 age group are the newcomers. Kafia Rapley will serve as head coach with Miguel Jonas as her assistant. Annalise Denny will be the team manager with Dr. Carleen Grant Davis to serve as team doctor and Sophia Brown the physiotherapist. The championships will take place in Curacao. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Kalisha?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Kalisha Williams. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.